Okay, today we are going to discuss Scribbler and its functionalities. I'm going to start with the right hand options, the tools, and then we'll go across the top and discuss the tools across the top. But first, we'll look to the right and we'll notice several things. One, we have a list of participants. We also have a chat box below that, so this does support just regular text chat. It also supports audio chat, and how we do that is we'll simply toggle this microphone above, and once that's toggled, we may get a indicator saying, do you want to accept, do you want to allow this? We'll say yes. But you've noticed when I've clicked the audio that I get a icon that shows I am now using audio. Other participants will see that, and I will see theirs when they're using audio as well. We also have this Assets tab, and the Assets will let us bring in images from our computer to the whiteboard. It will also let us grab screenshots from existing web pages, so we'll capture screenshots from web pages and we can bring those in to our whiteboard. We'll go through some of the tools over here now. We've got a line segment tool. On the line segment tool, it's just real simple. We just click and drag and we can make that line thinner. We can change the line segment color through these options down here in the lower right hand corner. Very similar with the box. We can change the thickness of the lines, the color of the fill, and the line colors using the lower right hand options here. It's very similar with the circle, the triangle, the polygon, and the wedge tool. We also get a freehand tool here. We just click the pencil and we've got freehand. Let's crank it up and change it to blue here. Say hi. And we've got this text tool. We can click the text tool and bold, italics, underlined. We can change the font style and the font size this way. And just a normal text tool then. We also have the ability to add pages in the lower left-hand corner. If you see my pointer, you see we've been working on page 2. Now we're back on page 1 here, and I'll go ahead and draw some stuff. So you can see that that's actually a separate page now. It's part of our project here. So now if I wanted to use this pointer to kind of point certain things out to users that were on the board with me, I could do that. And other users will see this green arrow, so I can point to the dot and the eye and make sure people see the smiley face here pointing at that. I can also take a snapshot. So if I take a snapshot of this board, it actually adds as an asset. It also makes that available in world in our virtual world tools. So when this snapshot icon is clicked, that immediately makes that asset available in world. And how that's enabled back in world is you'll just simply click on the texture within the Scribble room and it will refresh to the latest snapshot here. Now another thing we can do is we're going to kind of go along these icons across the top, but we can clear all of our pages, and if we click that, that'll do that. We can clear just a single page with this icon. Let's go ahead and put something here. We can lock an asset if we need to. We can flip horizontally or vertically with these two tools. We can delete a single asset here. We can redo or undo something we may have either wanted or not wanted to do. We can also copy particular assets within the board and paste those. So for example, I can copy this and then paste several other versions of it that way. Okay. So those essentially are the tools along the right-hand side, the top tools, how we enable audio, and also how we take a snapshot and take that in world. So that is Scribbler.